I was skeptical about this one at first. I mean, I've tried a bunch of espresso machines over the years, and most of them either cost a fortune or just don't deliver the kind of consistency I'm after. But then I got my hands on the Rancilio Silvia Pro X, and honestly, it changed the way I think about home espresso. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. So, what makes this machine stand out? First off, it's got a dual boiler system, which means you can pull a shot and steam milk at the same time without either one suffering. That's huge if you're making lattes or cappuccinos for more than one person. I used to have to wait between tasks on my old machine, and it was a pain. With the Silvia Pro X, you can prep your milk while your espresso is pulling, and everything comes out perfect. Then there's the PID control. If you're not familiar, PID stands for proportional integral derivative, but all you really need to know is that it keeps the water temperature super stable. No more guessing if your shot is going to be too sour or too bitter because the machine's temperature is all over the place. I've found that even after hours of use, the Silvia Pro X keeps the temperature locked in, which means consistent shots every time. Another feature I love is the soft preinfusion. This is where the machine gently saturates the coffee grounds before the full extraction starts. It helps with even extraction and reduces channeling, which is when water finds the easiest path through the puck instead of flowing evenly. The result? A smoother, more balanced shot. I noticed a big difference in the crema and flavor compared to my old machine. The shot timer is a small but handy addition. It lets you time your extractions precisely, which is great for dialing in your grind size and dose. I used to rely on my phone's stopwatch, which was a hassle. Now, it's all right there on the machine, and it's made a noticeable difference in how quickly I can tweak my setup for the best results. I also appreciate the auto-on function. You can program it to heat up and be ready at a specific time, which is perfect for those early mornings when you just want coffee ASAP. No more waiting around for the machine to warm up, it's ready to go when you are. The portafilter is another upgrade worth mentioning. It's designed to distribute pressure more evenly, which helps with consistency. I've had issues with uneven extractions in the past, but this portafilter seems to solve that problem. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in the final cup. Now, no machine is perfect, and the Silvia Pro X has a couple of things I wish were different. For one, it's pretty heavy, so moving it around isn't the easiest. If you're not planning to keep it in one spot, that's something to consider. Also, the learning curve can be a bit steep if you're new to espresso. It took me a while to dial in the perfect shot, but once I got the hang of it, the results were worth the effort. Overall, though, I'm really happy with the Rancilio Silvia Pro X. It's a solid machine that delivers on consistency, convenience, and quality. If you're serious about making great espresso at home and don't mind the initial setup time, this could be the machine for you. Check it out using the link below if you want to see more details. For most buyers, the real question is not whether Rancilio Silvia Pro X espresso machine, 1 liters, stainless steel sounds impressive on paper, but whether strengths like dual boiler and steam optional actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile after the first few days of excitement wear off. It is also smart to think about long-term satisfaction. A product like Rancilio Silvia Pro X espresso machine, 1 liters, stainless steel usually feels like the better buy when it stays convenient, comfortable, and reliable in normal everyday use instead of only looking good in the listing.